Check the latest news right as it is released on whybitcoinprice.com.
Web3 payments provider Tansak has secured $20 million in Series A funding from prominent VC firms and angel investors, including CE Innovation Capital, SBI Ven Capital, and Signum. Tansak offers a simplified solution for individuals and businesses to engage with digital assets, allowing users to transact directly from their bank accounts. The platform focuses on user experience, making it easy for newcomers to enter the world of cryptocurrencies. Tansak's recent initiatives, such as Tansak One and NFT checkout offerings, are redefining the barriers to entry into Web3. The funding will propel Tansak forward in revolutionizing the Web3 ecosystem. The Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates, CBUAE, has announced new regulations requiring licensed financial institutions, LFIs, to verify customer identities. These rules, aligned with global standards, will be effective by the end of June. The CBUAE also released guidelines on virtual assets and service providers, outlining anti-money laundering and terrorism financing rules. LFIs must obtain approval from the central bank to open accounts for each virtual asset service provider, VASP, and understand the nature of their business. Monitoring of crypto transactions in high-risk jurisdictions is also mandated. Additionally, the CBUAE and the Hong Kong Monetary Authority plan to collaborate on digital asset regulations and fintech development initiatives. Blockchain analytics company Nansen has announced a workforce reduction of approximately 30% to optimize operations and reduce expenses. CEO Alex Svanovic confirmed the layoffs, citing rapid growth and challenging market conditions. The restructuring aims to focus on higher quality output while accomplishing fewer tasks. Nansen, known for its blockchain analytics in decentralized finance and non-fungible token ecosystems, had employed 50 to 100 people prior to the layoffs. The company's decision reflects the broader trend in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry, as companies seek sustainability by implementing strategic measures, including workforce reductions, in response to market challenges. An Indonesian car rental owner was arrested by Bali police for accepting cryptocurrency as payment, which is illegal according to Indonesian law. The offense carries penalties of up to 1 year in prison and a fine of up to 200 million Indonesian rupiahs. The arrest came after an undercover operation where police posed as buyers on a Telegram group. While the use of the official currency, the Indonesian rupiah, is encouraged by authorities, concerns over its devaluation and reduced purchasing power have led some to explore alternative assets like cryptocurrencies, gold, and silver. However, acquiring these assets is expected to become more challenging as governments and banks seek to maintain control. The Chinese government has launched an investigation into Trust Reserve, the issuer of the CNH coin, CNHC, a Chinese yuan-pegged stablecoin. As a result, several employees of the company have been detained, and their families have been notified of the detentions. Trust Reserve's office in Shanghai has been sealed and left empty. Trust Reserve, previously known as CNHC Group, also issues the HKD coin, HKDC, pegged to the Hong Kong dollar. The company had recently secured $10 million in funding and had plans to expand the exposure of its stablecoin to other platforms. Bitcoin's on-chain and options data indicate an upcoming significant movement in its price. Traders in the options market are betting on a new high for Bitcoin, while on-chain data shows long-term holders accumulating and short-term holders selling. Analysts believe this could lead to a surge in price and possibly a new all-time high, but there is also a possibility of a sharp decline. The volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market makes it challenging to predict the exact direction. Nonetheless, analysts maintain cautious optimism for Bitcoin's future, especially with increasing institutional and corporate investments.